guys, what's up? It's part 2 of the Super Pocket Bike. Originally we were going to put a KTM 50 motor in the pocket bike frame. It just wasn't powerful enough, so we bought this Suzuki ds80. We widened the forks and the swing arm so we could use the pocket bike wheels and tires on here. Added a supermoto headlight, new grips, wrapped the tank and fender. This thing's awesome. 80cc 2-stroke 5-speed. She rips, boys. We nicknamed her the Grom Killer. So let's get some footage doing some burnouts, doing some ripping. But before that, make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. We really appreciate it. Stay tuned.